Welcome to the Wingman training. My name is Steven. This is my brother Nathaniel. Together we have partnered up to help you guys find success with POD.
We've both been selling online for quite a while. We've kind of run the gamut from doing things from RA, OA, wholesale, private label, and just have learned a lot. But now we have really been going 100% all in on print on demand.
So I want to tell you a little bit how we got started. We've been selling online for 15 years. We've kind of run the gamut. I started on Craigslist. I was selling car parts. Then it got cold one winter, and I didn't want to go to junkyards anymore to pull car parts, so I started selling everything in the house on eBay. Then from there, I learned that you could actually go to stores and resell products that were right on the shelf on Amazon. And then from there, we did a whole bunch of different wholesale, private label, different things. I started hiring my family. It was working really well for me because I got to hand off all the jobs that I didn't want to do to the people in my family that I just were around. Nathaniel came to stay with us. My mom was here, and then my wife. I just handed off all the jobs that I hated to them. After a few years of doing that, that kind of started not working so well. Everybody kind of dispersed. Nathaniel was doing this POD thing, and then I said, this might be interesting. This might be a way that we can actually work together instead of working for me and me running the ship. So now we are working together on POD.
I am Nate Hibbert, Steven's little brother. Like Steven said, we always kind of worked together, but it was really him just being in charge and telling me what to do. And I wasn't really using any of the things that I was passionate about or my skills, just like packing boxes and shopping. And like he said, all the stuff that no one really wants to do at the end of the day, but is helpful when you're trying to run an online e-commerce based business. But on the side of all those years of helping Steven out with that, I was working on graphic design, the thing that I was passionate about. I kind of did the reverse where Steven went from having a 9-to-5 job to working online. I started working online and then went to having a 9-to-5 job. I felt like that legitimized my skills as a graphic designer to get a job inside of a screen printing company. That was kind of like my happiest moment. Be like, okay, this thing that I just kind of taught myself, is working out. But after a year of doing that, I found out about some opportunities to do print on demand through Amazon with their platform Merch by Amazon, and that was just really attractive to me, the idea of using these skills that I've built up in the screen printing business, which was creating t-shirt designs, using that for a world that I kind of know something about, which was selling online and through Amazon, and kind of those two things coming together perfectly. And so I dove into that, and then after some struggles, asked Steven to join me in this adventure, and are now working and having a business together that's successful, and we both enjoy different parts of it, but we both enjoy this business.